strenuous. Oh, that sounds like I'm hurt too. We've been doing this for too long.
Too long on the job there.
Alright, let's just get it in the house and get it over here. Did we just hit something? Is everyone okay?
Knock over a child?
I hear wailing in the distance.
Alright, well let's go up the stairs.
Alright, go upstairs. Get upstairs here. This is the hard part. What are you complaining about? See, how bad it is for me.
Come on!
Alright, oh, there we go. There we go, alright,
Oh, the ceiling is falling. Oh my God! Drop the couch.
Boom!
Oh, you dropped it on a cannon. Oh my gosh, this is the worst moving day ever.
why are there all these things?
I don't know.
Well, alright, we have to clean up this mess.
Here we gotta clean it up.
I'll go get a broom and try to
Get a broom.
start sweeping this up.
Something is doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's a miracle. Alright. You just shoved it all out of the apartment. We just moved it all up here. You swept the whole room out.
Really good broom.
Really good. Somebody was riding that broom. That was like Mary Poppins.
Alright, okay. What if we just make new furniture for the person instead of bringing stuff up?
That will be classy and probably what they want.
Yeah, that's exactly it.
Good thing I brought my saw and lumber, hammer and nails, and my motorbike.
Good. Let's just go ahead and turn that off and break the handle. Alright. I'll start cutting and you start just hammering stuff together.
That's how furniture gets built. This is a dog.
Alright.
That was my dog. I didn't get anything done. I had a dog. Nails didn't go
What are you doing?
Listen, instead of grabbing the things I need, I just grab a thing and see if it works.
Alright, let's work together. Let's really just knock this out, alright?
Alright.
Let's just start hammering nails and, building furniture things.
Okay, alright. Here, let me just, here. Try and hammer that together.
Alright, please.
I got the oil can. Here's Tin Man.
That's working.
Do you think you're ready? Okay.
Okay. I never knew it'd be that hard.
Try again.
Oh, it is. Where, like...
That's like glockenspiel.
Yeah. Let's try this.
Ow!
Sorry, I had my balloon there. Maybe we should just duct tape it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Here, I got that big roll of duct tape here. It's inside this cupboard in front of me. Here it is. There's the duct tape.
Good.
We'll try again.
He has one.
It's okay. It's alright. Let's just start taping around this duct. We'll just take the duct to the furniture. And I left the hose running. And this window is open. This apartment's crazy. Okay. We have two boards and a duct taped together. Good start.
Alright, that seems like a good furniture set. 2 boards and a duct.
2 boards and a duct. You stay there. We can probably hang some art to spruce this place up.
That's how they do it on the TLC.
So I hear. Alright. Here, I got this painting. Just hang. Just
I tagged the guards at special on.
Yeah, some of you also like to watch it. So. I heard a flamethrower somewhere. This is not a safe neighborhood.
Let's say have a kitchen.
Alright, we'll deal with that mess later. In the meantime,
That's fine.
at least this looks decently well.
2 boards, 2
boards.
dogs.
Hold on a minute.
You'll be okay.
Quiet you.
I didn't say that.
Looks good, right?
I live here. Nah.
Oh. Sounds like this is like a medical ward. Somebody's sick, coughing.